located along a line extending from near Tiffin to near Lunaroo, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Marion, Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Fremont, Bucyrus, Western Vermilion, Upper Sandusky, Port Clinton, Mount Gilead, Kelly's Island, Put-in-Bay, Galion, Shelby, Bellevue, Clyde, Willard, Ontario and The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Fayette County, Ohio, Pickaway County, northeastern Highland County, western Ross County, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:42 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jeffersonville to near New Vienna, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chillicothe, Washington Courthouse, Circleville, Hillsborough, Greenfield, Asheville, South Bloomfield, Leesburg, Kingston, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, Bainbridge, New Holland, Logan Elm Village, North Folk Village, Highland Holiday, Staunton, Good Hope, Frankfort and Fox. The National Weather Service